Hi everybody, Dr. Michael Horowitz, Vancouver Chiropractor, here today with longtime patient DEANNA, who's going to help us demonstrate some stretches which will help keep you in tip-top form, help prevent injury, and help improve posture. Stretching is one of three components of spinal hygiene. So when you combine stretching with regular physical activity and regular chiropractic checkups, you're working towards perfect posture and you're working towards making sure your small aches and pains don't become big ones. So please enjoy this video. If you like it and you find it useful, leave a comment. Feel free to subscribe to our YouTube channel because we've got a lot more great videos coming your way on how to live your healthiest and happiest life.
This next stretch is called cat-cow stretch. In tabletop position, you're going to arch your back, your mid-back, up into the sky for 3 to 5 seconds, followed by tilting your pelvis forward and tilting your spine down to the ground. You're going to rotate these exercises back and forth, and you should feel a great stretch in your spine, especially your mid-spine, your thoracic spine. This is a great way to improve flexibility around your spinal joints. Good job, D. This next stretch is called child's pose. In tabletop position, we're going to separate the knees and sit back while we reach forward. You should feel a great stretch in your arms and upper back and an incredible stretch in the muscles around your low back and your glute muscles. You might even feel it in your groin muscles. This is a great warm-up activity. It's a great way to relieve low back pain and discomfort. Good job, D. This next stretch is also the child's pose, but it's with some rotation. So from tabletop, separating the knees and sitting back, reaching forward. But this modification, we're going to take one shoulder, drop it to the ground, and allow our upper back to rotate. You should feel a great stretch around that shoulder and upper back. This is the child's pose with rotation. Great job, D. This next stretch is called downward dog. It's borrowed from our yoga friends. From tabletop position, we're going to push our hips up to the sky and feel the elongation through the back of the hamstrings and the calf muscles, and feel that stretch through the shoulders and the upper back. This is a great breathing exercise for the muscles around the spine. This is downward dog. Good job, D. All right, this next stretch is a series of movements borrowed from our yoga friends. A little bit of flow movement here, starting with downward dog, moving into plank, pushing down into upward dog, and finishing up in child's pose. Make sure to breathe through each of these movements. One more time, we're going to move into downward dog, great for your back and hamstrings, down into plank, great for your core, pushing down, and then upward dog, a version of the Cobra, followed by child's pose. Good job, D. That's a great set of movements. This next set of stretches is called the Cobra Stretch, or the Mackenzie stretch for disc injury. What I'm going to have you do is lay down on the ground with your hands under your shoulders and lift up. As long as you feel comfortable in that position, you can push up a little further, creating extension in your spine. What this does is helps push the disc forward and take pressure off the sciatic nerve and the joints of your low spine. Keep breathing through this exercise. Good job, D. This next stretch is called the Pigeon Stretch. From downward dog position, we're going to bring one leg forward and draw that lower leg to the ground as you shift your hips and pelvis back. Looking straight and forward, this is a great stretch for your glute muscles and your piriformis muscle. If you're feeling pain in your back or into your glutes, this is the Pigeon Stretch. Thanks, D.
Thanks for watching. My name's Dr. Michael Horowitz, your friendly neighborhood chiropractor in Vancouver. And if you'd like more information on spinal health and how to treat your aches and pains naturally with chiropractic, then please visit our website at vancouverchiropractic.net, where you can book an appointment online, or you can email us with any questions that you have. And if you enjoyed this video and found it useful, please like the video, leave a comment, and subscribe to my YouTube channel, because I've got a lot more great useful information coming your way to live your healthiest and happiest life. Enjoy, everybody.